Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the system. This prevents short circuits and lost data. Once done, remove laptop battery or flip desktop switch. Make sure you're grounded. Static kills electronics, so wear a wrist strap or frequently touch the metal chassis. Lay out tools and a small parts tray. Organize screws by step as you go. Now position the case where you can work with good light and access the drive bay. That sets you up for a smooth removal. You open the case and expose internals. Desktops usually have a side panel. Laptops require careful back cover removal. Once visible, identify the SSD type 2. 5-inch SATA in a bay versus M2 or NVMe on the motherboard because removal differs. If SATA, slide drive out of tray and unplug the power and data cables. If M2, unscrew the standoff and gently lift the module at an angle. Keep screws in a labeled container and avoid forcing connectors. They should slide or wiggle free with light pressure. You reassemble the chassis and reconnect power, then boot to BIOS first to verify the drive is no longer detected. Make sure BIOS settings like OSI or NVMe support are unchanged. Once in the OS, check disk management to confirm the device is absent and no volumes are degraded. If something went wrong, power down and receipt cables or the M2 module. Try a different SATA port or update BIOS if the drive intermittently disappears. That troubleshooting step resolves most detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.